Love your wine but crave discretion. Spiral Cellars Scandinavia hides your entire collection beneath your feet. Built right into your kitchen floor, these secret cellars keep your bottles cool, protected, and totally out of sight. With hidden doors and space for up to 1,290 bottles, it's luxury meets stealth like never before. Who knew privacy could taste this elegant? Feel like someone's always watching. With the 3M Comply screen filter, your secrets stay yours. It narrows the viewing angle to 60 degrees, blocking out nosy neighbors and shoulder surfers like a digital force field. Whether you're on a train, in a cafe, or a crowded office, your screen stays private, your data stays safe. In a world where privacy is vanishing, this filter fights back. Sick of getting ambushed by cameras? Camouflage fights back in 0.1 milliseconds with a blinding 12,000 lumen burst of light. Say goodbye to unflattering pics, paparazzi shots turn into useless white blurs instantly. Just twist the clutch 90 degrees and boom, instant privacy shield. And if they get too close, they'll see stars, literally. Car thieves aren't using crowbars anymore, they're using code. That's why the cipher-silent Faraday cover exists. It blocks Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, RFID, even EMP attacks, with military-grade shielding wrapped in carbon fiber. Your vehicle, your data, your privacy, untouchable. At $15,000, it's not just protection, it's peace of mind in a digital battlefield. Want a secret room like in spy movies? These hidden doors from Creative Home Engineering vanish into your walls, disguised as bookshelves you can actually use. Choose from classic hinges or sliding panels, manual or fully automated with electric or battery power. Whether it's for privacy, style, or pure James Bond vibes, no one will ever know it's there. With one press, your windows go from crystal clear to totally private. This isn't magic. It's PDLC smart glass tech, turning transparency on and off with electricity. Want privacy without replacing your windows? Just stick on the smart film version. It's sleek, fast, and futuristic. And yes, it really works. A garage that disappears into the ground. Ideal Park's IP1CM MLB. A lift hides your car in plain sight, blending into your driveway like nothing's there. It lifts up to 3.5 tons and vanishes with the push of a personal code. Laser scanners and video monitoring stop it instantly if anyone steps near. Safety meets stealth. Want next-level privacy and protection for your ride? This is it. Worried about hidden cameras spying on you? The SpyFinder Pro spots them, even when they're off. With ultra-bright maxi-boost LEDs and a 14-meter range, it reveals even the tiniest hidden lenses in seconds. Hotel room, cruise cabin, dressing room, no place is off-limits to your safety. Just switch it on, scan, and take back control of your personal space. Tired of nosy neighbors and blazing sunlight invading your space? Somfy shutters give you privacy, comfort, and control, all in one smart package. Schedule them to open with the sunrise, close before sunset, or just tap your phone and relax. Prefer voice commands? Just ask Alexa or Google. This isn't just window treatment, it's home intelligence with style. A security camera that respects your privacy. The EMU CCTV camera lets you activate privacy mode with a simple hand gesture. Just raise your palm and poof, you're pixelated into a blur. Want it back to normal? Just raise a fist. It's smart, respectful, and made for countries with strict privacy laws like Germany. Finally, surveillance that sees without invading your space. Need a private space in your noisy office? Framery 6 is your soundproof sanctuary. It cuts speech by 30 decibels and uses wind-like sound masking to keep your words truly private. Air refreshes every 62 seconds, lighting is fully adjustable, and you can book it straight from your phone. Confidential chats without leaks, and comfort like never before. Tired of slow VPNs ruining your stream? Vilfo is the beast of all VPN routers, 600 Mbps encrypted speed and multiple VPNs at once. Send your TV to the UK, your PlayStation to Turkey, all from the same network. One-click setup, smart analytics, and real-time alerts sent right to your phone. With 8 dBi antennas and triple LAN ports, this isn't just powerful, it's unstoppable. Want a garage door that vanishes into your home's design? Door Systems makes it possible. Custom-built doors that blend seamlessly into your facade while keeping insulation and security top-notch. With 5cm thermal panels, a 250 kilograms aluminum frame, and finishes from wood to stone, even glass. Go big, up to 5.5 meters wide, and no one will even know it's there. Architectural harmony meets high-tech privacy. No traces, no leaks, just pure data destruction. The Proton T4 erases everything from hard drives to tape in just 60 seconds using insanely powerful magnetic fields. It's so secure, even the US Department of Defense trusts it. No buttons to mess with, no software glitches, just one press and your secrets are gone forever. Want peace of mind that your info will never leak again? This is it, the ultimate guardian of your digital life. No tracking, no hidden apps, just you, your phone, and total control. The Volaphone Quintus throws big tech surveillance out the window. Choose VAOS or Ubuntu Touch and customize everything. Block internet access, blacklist apps, shut down background snooping. Finally, a phone that respects your privacy. With 8-core power, 8GB RAM, and 256GB of space, it's not just secure, it's seriously fast. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a declaration. Your data is not for sale. Touchscreens without data leaks. Meet the Mission Darkness Titan RF gloves. Built for forensics, but perfect for anyone serious about security. These gloves block Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, even electromagnetic interference from 1.5 to 40 GHz. Use your phone inside a Faraday box with zero risk of signal breaches. Lab verified, one size fits all, and trusted worldwide. These are no ordinary gloves, they're your first line of digital defense. At $122, that's privacy literally in your hands. What if your security guard never blinked, never slept, and never missed a thing? Meet the Cobalt Robot, an AI-powered patrol unit that sees, hears, and analyzes its environment 24/7. It reduced false alarms by 93%. And in just 3 months, it handled 150,000 events. Only 39 needed human help. That's smart, efficient, and razor-focused security. With live operator access and real-time alerts, It's like having a genius watchdog with wheels. Worried someone might overhear that private convo? The Qt sound masking system makes sure they can't. It gently floods the room with specially tuned frequencies. Not harsh white noise, but sound crafted to blur speech. Offices, banks, hospitals, wherever privacy matters, Qt runs quietly at just 38 decibels, like a whispering AC. And get this, it's invisible too. Fully customizable, fully secure, and totally genius. What if your security system could stop intruders without a single touch? The active denial system does exactly that, firing a beam that heats the skin's surface to 70 degrees Celsius from up to 500 meters away. It's fast, non-lethal, and freakishly effective. In just seconds, threats feel the heat and flee. No permanent harm, just the goodbye effect. Military-grade tech now pushing the boundaries of perimeter defense. Tired of feeling watched while you relax by the pool? 3/8 Co screens give you instant privacy with just a touch. These towering, stylish fabric panels, up to 5 meters tall, turn any open space into your personal hideaway. Each screen locks in place individually, custom fit to your backyard's exact layout. Swim, sunbathe, or celebrate without a single jealous glance interrupting your vibe. Need your own quiet zone without construction chaos? The Be-Free 2.0 pod drops noise by 26 decibels and absorbs 89% of sound, turning any corner into a private studio, meeting room, or creative sanctuary. No tools? No problem. Just a screwdriver and an hour, and you're set. With a steel frame, layered fabric walls, and built-in ventilation, it's your personal cocoon of silence for just $800. Peace, privacy, and productivity. What more could you want? Need to talk business in public without broadcasting it to the whole cafe? The Skyded 320 mask creates a sound bubble that makes your voice up to 80% quieter, using tech born from jet engine noise reduction. It runs for 10 hours, delivers crystal clear sound to the person on the other end, and protects your privacy like never before. No more awkward stares or hushed tones, just pure, secure conversation on the go. Worried about drones invading your privacy? Drone Dome shuts them down in seconds. Literally. With radar, jammers, and even lasers, it detects and disables micro to nano drones with pinpoint accuracy. Rain or shine, 360-degree protection is always on. Already trusted at global summits and major airports, this isn't sci-fi, it's real-world airspace defense.